love the rain, it veils the tears I cry. I tell them all it's just a stormy sky. It's easier to live within this space when I let no one see my hidden face. Let falling water wash away the gray, dissolve the pain and carry it away. I'll find a quiet corner safe and deep, where silence heals the promises I keep. But when the storm has passed, I'll smile again and cleanse my soul within the pure rain. I fear the silence of the night no more. It brings the strength I didn't have before. I love the rain, a mask for all my fears, to tell the world these are just raindrops, not tears. But then I see the leaves shake in the breeze, a green and gentle wave from native trees. It meets me like a sign I've always known. I wipe away the worries I have grown, 'cause only here my breath comes easy free. When I return to where I'm meant to be, I bow before the garden, every vine. I leave the weariness and grief behind. I lock the door and let the world go by. I'll keep this happiness until I die. The weary floorboards creak a welcome sound, like ancient voices rising from the ground. The road has ended here where I belong, where sweet dreams weave into a quiet song. I light a candle on the wooden beam, the scent of bread revives a forgotten dream. There is no better land on earth to roam than this one place where I can breathe at home. And now the rain no longer hides my pain. It plays a music for the thirsty plain. It feeds the forest sleeping in the night, and fills my soul with comforting delight. I look above, the clouds have pulled apart, just drops of silver shine like healing art. How good it is that winding path did roam, to lead me back to this old porch, my home. Tears today, it washes dust and shadows all away. The wind has carried all the grief along, and in my heart there blooms a brand new song. It's easier to live and understand when love is waiting in your native land. I'll cherish every moment, soft and true, and keep this joy inside for me and you. The night descends upon the fields and roof. Sleep now, my garden, you are living proof. This native earth has healed my broken wings, without a word, without the struggle it brings.